Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am trying this egg veggie omelette recipe that I'm going to bake in the oven, and this is inspired by Tasty recipe. Although they put a different type of veggies, and I have different type of veggies here because this is what I had in home and this is the one I used. Before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know that I'm planning to do more recipes in this channel. So if you guys like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, or comment below to let me know that you would like to see more recipes. Okay, so here I have prepped for my omelette. I have the veggies ready. I have finely chopped these veggies. Here is tomatoes, some jalapenos, some white onions, and I have used a little bit of carrots because I don't want to make it sweet, so I did put much carrots here. So here I have eggs in the bowl, and I'm going to put all the veggies in there and mix it properly. Now if you're thinking that I'm moving my camera too much, or this is a weird way to add veggies in the bowl, then it's because I was holding my phone from one hand, and I was trying to put the veggies from the other hand, so this is the best I could do. Next I'm going to add some cheese in there. So here I have some Colby Jack sliced cheese, and I didn't have any shredded cheese, so I'm gonna use this one. I just chopped it in small pieces and I'm gonna add it in the bowl. So now I'm gonna mix everything that I have in this bowl, and once it gets mixed properly, I'm gonna add my spices. For the spices, I'm using some black pepper powder, some pink salt, and some chili powder. Now if you don't like spicy, you can avoid the chili powder, or you can avoid the jalapeno also, but I think with the cheese in there it makes it milder, so I did use the chili powder, but it's totally up to you. And of course you can tell that I love spicy, so I have the jalapeno and the chili powder here both. And there's one thing that I forgot to record, is that I added milk, but I just added like 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, because I don't really like too much milk in the omelette. I feel like it makes it a little bit soggy, and I don't like soggy omelette, so yeah, I try to avoid that. Next I'm using this extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to grease my pan. One last mix and into the pan. Okay, so the omelette is ready to go in the oven. I just want to show you from the corner how thick it's gonna be. Actually it's gonna be a little bit thicker than that, because it's gonna fluff a little bit, and it's perfect for me. But if you want more thicker, then you can add more eggs and more veggies. So my oven was preheated at 350 degrees, and I tried to cook it for 13 minutes, but it was not enough. It was really moist and raw from the middle, so I raised the temperature and I cooked it for another 10 minutes, and then this is how it looked. So yeah guys, this was it, and I really enjoyed the omelette, but I would say this was very much time consuming. If you're busy with something else, you can definitely put it in the oven and do your work, but if you're in a rush, you should definitely make it in the pan. If you like this video, then don't forget to like this video and comment below. I'm planning to make more cooking videos in this channel, but I will only do it if I get more likes and comments. So yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.